In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can access a web browser here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started, go to the very top of your PS5 home screen and go ahead and select on that little settings gear. And from here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down, or I guess stay where you are, and select network. From here, go over to the connection status tab, and once you are on connection status, go ahead and select view PlayStation Network status. What this is going to do is load you into a web browser that shows you PlayStation status. Once you're on here, scroll all the way down, and what you're looking for is actually the About Us section right here. Select it. When you click About Us, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page, you should see some sort of social media access through here. If you don't see it on here, don't worry. If you do, select the YouTube option. That being said, if you don't, go back, scroll back down, and this time what you're going to want to do is select the blog access option right here, and then scroll down, and on the left, not all the way down, but kind of like a fourth down, you're going to see a YouTube tab. Go ahead and choose that. It's going to redirect you to PlayStation's YouTube, and what you're going to want to do is actually hit sign in up in the top right, but don't worry, we're not actually going to sign in. Once you get on this page, select privacy, and then after that, it's going to redirect you to a new page. It looks like this. Select the little app icons up in the very top, and then go ahead and select Google. From here, go ahead and select Google search, and you're now going to be in a working web browser. So you could really search for whatever you like. For example, I'll go ahead and search for myself. This is Just Boz. When you hit done, it'll take you directly to it, and you now have web access. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.